Hey everybody, YouTube, this is Curry Mike, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade Dorito Casserole. I'm using 96% lean, 4% fat, extra lean ground beef. This is 2.25 pounds ground beef. This is on medium-high heat. We're going to break it with a wooden spoon until it's completely separated. And then it should be completely brown, just like this. And then we're going to drain it. And then we're going to return it back to the pan. Half a cup of taco seasoning. 1 1/3 cup of water. Oh, here I use 2/3 cup of water. But I did go back and add the rest. And then mix it up until it's well blended. And then we're going to add salsa. We're going to stir that up until it's well blended. And next we're going to add the Rotel diced tomatoes. This is with green chili. And of course we're going to stir that up until it's well incorporated. Heat to boiling and then reduce heat and then simmer for about 4 minutes. Stirring often until the mixture is thickened. And now we're going to assemble it. Using a rag, rub the olive oil inside the 9 by 13 inch pan. Next, lightly crush the Doritos and put it inside the pan. This will be your bottom layer, obviously. And then next, spoon some of that mixture on top of the Doritos. And then spread it around until it's completely covered. The next, add some shredded cheese on top of it. I use a combination of cheddar and Monterey Jack. And add some more crushed Doritos. And the final layer of shredded cheese. And to top it all off, add some sliced black olives. And then preheat your oven for 350 degrees. And after your oven is heated up, then bake this for 25 minutes. And this is how it should look like after you baked it. As you can see, it turned out pretty well. I'll use some sour cream on the side or some salsa. The recipe will be in the bottom of the description, so give it a try.